Tired of juggling multiple appliances? Say hello to the Calphalon air fryer oven, the ultimate all-in-one kitchen companion. This powerhouse oven packs 11 incredible functions into one sleek design, from air frying and baking to roasting and even dehydrating. Imagine whipping up a 12-inch pizza or crispy fries with minimal oil, all in a generous 26.4 QT capacity. The stainless steel finish? Absolutely stunning and super easy to clean. Plus, its advanced air frying technology ensures healthier mouth-watering results every time. And talk about user-friendly? The LED display with precision controls makes setting the perfect temperature and time a breeze. Families, this one's for you. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting chicken, or keeping dinner warm, the Calphalon air fryer oven delivers professional results with minimal effort. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about its performance and ease of use. And yes, it even handled day-old chicken wings like a pro. So why wait? Click the link and elevate your cooking experience with the Calphalon air fryer oven today.